Oh,
You look pretty tired. Maybe you should go to sleep.
should I?
Yeah,
pretty
don't worry,
tired.
don't worry. I'll go to sleep after you.
Oh, okay, well, I guess I'll just for safety, Okay, good night.
Good night, Mume.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Father, it's time to go to bed. Father.
Yeah.
It's time to go to bed.
Don't worry about that one.
Let's go to bed, Father. I think it's time to go to bed. It's time to sleep. There's some creepy crawlies around this time.
There might be some creepy crawlies.
Oh, there are some creepy crawlies.
Here, it's just a little dangerous for
Everything
you.
okay
So.
out there?
Yeah.
Okay.
No!
Just this down.
Wait! I miscalculated.
Should I?
Oh no! Wait, I didn't plan for this. Wait, I didn't mean it. I think.
Why are they children? What the heck is this? Why is it on a chicken? What's happening?
Nature is crying.
What the heck is going on? I am. What the? So, Fauna, this is where I die.
No, don't die.
Goodbye, Fauna.
You're still sleeping.
Goodbye. No, this is just. I simply die. It's not gonna work out. It's not gonna work out. It's just not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
No.